Hi guys, it's Machaela. So we're going to do another one of those I look creative in another video, but we're going to add some more Halloween elements to it. I'm thinking not really anything particularly inspired aside from like the pumpkin patch, so I want to go ahead and continue on with this little pumpkin inspired eye look and actually create a Halloween tutorial out of it. So once again, I'm using the ColourPop eyeliner, the liquid liner in the shade The Hills. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of take and extend, sorry if the lighting's not quite that great, but I'm going to take it and just kind of extend that wing there. And then I'm just going to kind of do a bunch of little swirlies, not really anything in particular. I am kind of using the viewfinder here to help me out, but just a bunch of like little swirly. I'm thinking the vines of a pumpkin patch here. And I'm just kind of going in random little areas on my face, kind of interconnecting all of it. So just kind of creating a nice little vine effect. I'm going to go up, do a curly Q, and another one. And again, you don't have to use a felt tip eyeliner. I think a liquid eyeliner or felt tip would be ideal, but if you have a pencil, that would be great. This is just what I'm using. And just kind of creating it all over the place. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Now if you'd like to leave it on the one side of the face, go for it. I'm going to have some fun with the entire face. And sorry if you can't quite see. Doing this at the end of the day, lighting's a little off. But just going to keep on going. If you mess up, just go back and kind of fix it a little bit. Alright, when you have the vines where you want it, I'm going to go ahead and take my Essence Color Boost. And I'm going to create little like dots to like kind of mimic pumpkins a little bit. And I'm going to do that on each of my little ends here. So like right there on the chin, right there, there. And I'm just kind of creating, I'm not really being precise, but just on everywhere I kind of taper it off with my green vines, that's where I'm going to put a pumpkin. And I'll probably go ahead and put one there. And there. Over here. Right here. Another one right here. There. There. It's kind of a weird place for one, but we'll make it work. There. Another one right about there. And there. Here. On my nose. And I did go ahead and do all my base makeup first. That way this gives it a good place to, a good way, you know, it'll just last longer and better. This is one of those things where you don't want to try too hard with your eye makeup or with your Halloween makeup, but you do want to do something cute, kind of fast, maybe last minute. And again, sorry the lighting's not great. I use natural lighting and it's just not exactly an ideal time because I'm going to go wash this off immediately after. But I'm going to take my e.l.f. It's my Stardust glitter liner, and if you want to do everything, go for it. Spray your face with glitter if that's what you want to do. However, I'm just going to go ahead and add some glitter to all of my pumpkins just to create some extra shine. And you do not have to use the exact products I am using, just anything that you have similar. Green eyeliner, some kind of glittery eyeliner, an orange lipstick would be fine, or an orange eyeliner. I would recommend something a little bit more thick for the pumpkins, just to create the dots a little bit faster. But overall, just kind of fun. Little fun fact about me, as I am doing this dot in the center of my head. As a baby, I had a little red, like, I think it was some kind of, I don't forgot what it's called, but it's a little red dot, looked like a birthmark. It was some kind of, I believe it was a popped blood vessel, but I had it like right in the middle of my head somewhere. And that's how, it's like the easiest way to tell it was me in a baby picture. So I don't know how well that's going to show up on camera, but it does add some extra sparkle. Feel free to go up on your nose with the vines if you want to. And yeah, you know what, and just for the sake of keeping this more pumpkin themed, I'm gonna go ahead and switch out the lipstick and put this on. Well, actually I'm just keeping the lipstick base because it's already taken off. It's pretty much worn, but just to put this on. Actually, that looks kind of good as a lip topper for that. But if you want more orange, just pair it by itself. But if you want a little more toned down, go ahead and put the Urban Decay Vice lipstick underneath it. So with that, and I will link the video to the eye look down below, but thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like if you like any other Halloween videos, please let me know, and I will see you in the next video. God bless and bye, guys.